Good morning, friends. So we are in Chandrapur Forest Division of Maharashtra. This is the territorial forest which is linked to Tadoba Tiger Reserve. A lot of tigers in this area. One of the first of its kind where we have seen that tiger tourism and safaris are happening as they happen in a tiger reserve. So they are maintaining it pretty well out here. And there was acute water scarcity in this area, so we have decided to do 8 sites here and give water to a lot of places. We are very happy. We have started our work today going to the forest. It's a 30 kilometers drive every day to reach the forest from the rest house, and this is pretty amazing. Yes, God has been kind to us. It's been raining, so the weather has become pleasant now. Yes, we will have some difficulties in doing our work, but still, the temperature has come down, so it will be a big help for us. It has rained, and look at the halat of our shoes now. This has completely stuck. It is black soil, so now our shoes have become at least 2 to 3 kgs heavier because of this. I can't remove this also. It is that bad, see out here. So I'm removing it. Oh man. So yeah, it is difficult to work. It has been raining here. Our vehicle is already stuck. तो उसको भी एक्सट्रैक्ट करने कोई आएगा, होपफुली में हमें भी आएगा. We are walking barefoot in the forest to our site. There is so much black soil and clay that it is impossible to walk with shoes. The shoes get so heavy that you can't walk, and in the season of rain, snakes, we have to walk barefoot. Little challenges of our work that we do. Plus, I cannot stress too much on my ankle because of my previous ligament issues. So that's why I'm walking barefoot in the forest, and I'm loving it. Good afternoon. We are at Imli Machan. Right now I'm standing on the Machan in Chandrapur Forest Division, Karwa Tourist Safari route. So this is one of the very major important water bodies that you see out here. A big water body out here, which actually dries up completely during summers. Luckily it has rained in last 2-3 days, so it has filled up. Otherwise this completely dries up, and if you see there are huge big fishes out there, but because of the water scarcity, the aquatic life also finishes out here. Apart from there, this is a regular tiger movement route out here. Tiger is seen very often by safari vehicles in this water body. Previously, it was just filled by the monsoon rains and then it used to dry out, but now a borewell has been done here. So we are putting up a 1 HP system out here, which will be feeding it water, keeping it very full throughout the year, so which will actually help the aquatic life apart from the other animals including tiger, sloth bear, gaur, cheetal, sambar out here. So very important, and we'll show you how the entire installation is done.
मैं विजय रामटेके यहाँ पे क्षेत्र सहायक इस पद पर मध्य चांद वन विभाग चंद्रपुर वन वृत्त में कार्यरत हूँ। ये महाराष्ट्र राज्य में आता है। यहाँ पे एक प्रादेशिक वन विभाग में बल्लारशाह परिक्षेत्र के अंतर्गत कारवा बल्लारशाह सफारी पर्यटन यहाँ पे शुरू है। तो यहाँ पे हमने जो पानवटे है, जो वन्य प्राणियों के लिए पानी की व्यवस्था की गई है, उस पर 5 जगह पे अपन बोरवेल मारे हैं, सोलर लगा के दिए हैं। ये जो है बाड्डा बोड़ी, वराट बोड़ी, बेहड़ा तालाब, इमली तालाब और नया न्यू तालाब कंपार्टमेंट नंबर 5 से 13, इसमें ये अर्थ ब्रिगेड फाउंडेशन इन्होंने सोलर लगा के वन्य प्राणी के लिए पानी की व्यवस्था करके दी है। इससे अपना वन्य प्राणी के लिए पानी की व्यवस्था, जो समर में वन्य प्राणी इधर उधर भटकते हैं पानी के लिए, वो इधर उधर ना भटकते हुए वहाँ पे पानी की व्यवस्था हो जाएगी और अपना एक बायोडाइवर्सिटी भी मेंटेन हो जाएगा। वहाँ पे अच्छा हरियाली मेंटेन हो सकती है। इसलिए इनका ये अच्छा काम यहाँ पे इन्होंने किया है।